So the question number second that we have is, here we given that a solid sphere, is in rolling motion. We have given that, and in rolling motion a body possesses translation kinetic energy, that is kT, as well as a rotation kinetic energy, that is kr, simultaneously. So the ratio of kt plus kr for this pair is, we have to find that what will be kt divided by kt plus kr. So we have to find this thing. So here the solution, that is the answer is 5 by 7, because we know that kt is equal to, the formula that we have is 1 by 2 mv square. So kt plus kr will equal to, where the kr represent this thing, that is 1 by 2 that thing, and if I solve this, we will add this thing, that is 1 by 2 mv square plus 1 by 2 1 omega square. So for this, the I will represent, the formula for I is 2 by 5 mr square, and for the omega we have vr square. So after putting this value, solving this thing, we will get, like, if I say here this r square will cancel out this r square, and what we have left with 7 by 10 mv square. So now we have to find the ratio, that is kt divided by kt plus kr, which is going to be like 1 by 2, that will be 1 by 2 mv square divided by 7 by 10 mv square. So here mv square will cancel out, and we will left with, like, this will cancel out like 5, and this will go up here, so we will left with 5 by 7. So that's the right answer.